Hey viewer, here it is the image we have taken. So let's edit that image by using the selection tool. We will separate it into two parts. So here is the camera raw filter. We can apply on it, add some temperature tint as well. Go to the exposure, contrast. Here it is the highlight and the shadow. Do some clarity, vibrance as well. So for more we will use the different changes. We can move it anywhere, so we will move it there as well. Add some more filters. So using a filter, that it is we have done here. Background eraser tool. So that is the layer we have. Thank you for watching.